Thanks. What's going on, everybody? We're Bracket. We're recording this tonight, so feel free to be as quiet as you can.
And the fact was that, well, I can't ever leave my trailer park. It's not safe to go out after dark. I can't expect to live a life I've always lived. A mother who likes drinking, another who doesn't care. Everyone makes fun of how poor my family is. They live on my misfortune, and the fact was that, well, I can't ever leave my trailer park. It's not safe to go out after dark. Misfortune, and the fact was that, well, I can't ever leave my trailer park. It's not safe to go out after dark.
I'm nervous.